Baki Season 2 is crazy in true Baki form, but it's awesome. It's epic. It's like if like, I don't know, it's like if JoJo's Bizarre Adventure mixed with Dragon Ball, sort of, then like mixed with Hajime no Ippo or something. So it's really good. This is Jack Hanma. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. And let's go. So his head is tilted. He's got a bizarre, like, crazy look, right? So top eyelid line, up, across, like so, and then down, and it kind of flicks out the end. So he's no pupils. He's just like glowing red, intense eyes. And then his bottom eyelid line comes across to meet it here. So our head is tilted, right? So we're going this way. We're not like flat. So we have eyelid lines above. So we'll go up, across, down that way. Like some wrinkles and stuff going up here. And then one underneath the eye. Just there. And then the eyebrow, real arched, like insane eyebrow. So we go to there, and then it goes up. And around like that, right? And then this will go back to a spike here. And then it gets kind of skinnier as we go down to the front. Like that. Right? So we'll try and do this over the other side. So you're about eye width across. The next eye starts about here. Right? So this eye sort of fits in between both of them. And that's your distance. And then it goes across like so. Down the back. Kind of flicks out here. And then his bottom eyelid line just comes over to the corner. So a demented sort of smile on his face. Eyelid line. Cross down. Wrinkles on top. And then eyebrow curving. And down like so. And then he's got this big hooked eyebrow that gets skinnier down to there. There's like another wrinkle here. And then one under there. Okay, so in between, right? So we've got like this contorted, wrinkly face, right? So it starts with his nose, with all these wrinkles on his nose. Right, like this sort of stuff. And then the tip of his nose is like here. And then we've got some nostrils just coming around the bottom. And the skin for those just on the side here. And then some more sort of nose wrinkles. Like that. So his mouth is crazy big. He's got this big Joker sort of smile, right? So it goes up, down in the middle, back up to there, back down, like that, okay? And then we can, the top lip is drawn in, so you just go around that again. Like just trace that shape. Like so. And then his bottom lip comes down here. Curve around for the bottom lip. And that's the edge there, and then comes down. And then the inside line of that. so. So teeth then, right, so you can see like all those teeth. So say like the middle one, so we'll go here first, right, and then like his teeth are drawn in, and so is his gum, right, so you can see like the whole lot. So each sort of top gum line. 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, and a 5th. Just there. So these are all sorts of teeth here. And they're crazy big. This one's like sharp. Right, we do the same over this side. So drawing the gums and everything. Right, so it looks like his mouth is open at the minute, but we'll just do the bottom layer teeth now. So it's kind of the same thing again. Just see the sides here, and then we go around each tooth. Like so, around to there. 1, 2, another one here. Okay, like so. So big, crazy teeth, right? And then we got a big, strong chin here. Kind of curving around like this. And then those lines drawn in on his face here. And then so like his teeth are so strong, his weapon is his teeth, right? So his jaw comes out, but it bumps, right? It's not just like, his jaw has like muscles on his jaw, right? So his masseter muscles are like hyper developed. Right, so you've got all these sort of bumping lines coming up his face, right? Right, and then his ear is kind of here. Curves around like so. And the ear on this side. Like so. And then like ear lines, the easiest way, letter J. Right, just like a letter J like that. And then if you want, you can add like more to it. And then sideburns, sort of hair section here. And then he just has like a shaved head that goes up and around, right? So it goes to there. And his hairline just goes around then his head. It's kind of just a short blonde hair. Like that. And then more sort of wrinkles on his forehead and stuff. And on his cheeks. Like that. Doop. Right, so like real contorted, crazy face. Okay, so his neck then is ridiculous as well. So like comes out from his ear, so like here, right? So it goes out in like that, right? So crazy muscly. Okay, and then muscle lines inside. Another one here. So like there. Right, and then his trapezius. Like that. And he's got like scars all over, but we'll just do sort of big chest muscles and stuff first. So say like coming out here. Big chest. And then going this way. Okay, and then he's got massive shoulders, so like Dragon Ball style, even bigger even. Coming out there. Like that. So where does that go then? Down like that. And his triceps will go off the page, and then his biceps are like here. And some more sort of shoulder muscles in there. And then his abs got those round style abdominals, and then the bicep on this side. Real big. Tricep will go off the page here. The bicep goes that way. Okay, so then we got like scars all over the body. And there's a crazy big one along the neck. And then all over. Okay, but that's it really. I think there might be more scars, but I think that's the best I can do. So, Jack Hanma from Baki. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.